This is me filming myself with the DJI Pocket 2, and I think it's pretty good. The outdoor camera is pretty good, and I think I can begin to make more videos like this for you guys to enjoy. And of course, it's a really small camera, but it's pretty good, especially when the sun is directly overhead. Hello good people, William here. Today we are going to be unboxing the DJI Pocket 2, which I just got recently. It just got delivered last evening and I didn't want to open it without you guys. So I actually thought I should hold on till today and then I open it and let you guys see the unboxing. Well, I thought I should buy this to make my outdoor videos much more interesting and amazing for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to like and subscribe, because with this we're gonna make amazing content here in China that you are gonna be interested in. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course for the returning subscribers, you already know you are amazing. Let's see how it goes. So I got my knife and yeah, let's open it and see what happens. This is it. Okay. Yeah. So we got the protection. Of course, this is a shock absorber. This one too. Oh, I already got a handle to help me hold it. Let me put that by the side. What else do I got? It's got a free holder. And this is it, guys. Over here, this is it. It's got its own protection. Black in color. This is it. Yeah. Wow, a very hard case. Really interesting. So let's put that by the side and dive right into the unboxing. I think these are gifts. This one is a phone holder, of course, and this one too. So let's open it and see how it goes. It's upside down. I turned it upside down. Okay, now that's it. It came with an extra bag, like I was explaining, and this is the USB cable. Don't worry about my fingernail, guys. I hurt my fingernail a couple of days back and it hurt so bad, that's why. So this is the charger, the USB cord, and yeah, let's see what else we got in here. We got an SD card, 64 gigabyte SD card, and what else we got? Let's open it up. Yeah, I think it's the wipes to keep it clean. Yeah, to keep the screens clean, and some stickers, dust absorbers, some more. So normally here in China, when you buy stuff like this, electronics, it comes with accessories. And now let's dive right in. Oh, here we got the wireless mic and the universal charger and extension. Of course, this is the Pro package. So this is the wireless mic. So let's turn it on. Okay, that's it, guys. That is it. You see, it moves normally, it moves well. There's no SD card, so I'll have to put my SD card in. But then, let's see, no files, photo, video, HDR, time lapse, story. So this is to move the camera left or right. You can see that. Left or right. Easy.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
We are gonna put in the memory card like this. Put it like this, and then we press it in, and yeah, it's good to go. I want to turn it on again, and yeah, now I think we can record something. So it goes from left to right. Okay, let's play the video. You can see it, guys. That's the video right there. Beneath you can find a charging port, and you know, this extension, it's really handy because it's got wireless option. It can help you with Bluetooth connection, and it even got a headphone jack. That way you can connect your headphones or your mic or anything you want to connect to it. So it makes it so much more easier to use the DJI Pocket 2. And now let's see if we can attach the universal handle to the bottom of the DJI. So now guys, all of this is done and dusted, and the next step is to head out and try to do a test of the DJI Pocket 2 to see the benefits, to see the advantages, and if it's really good for a content creator or a YouTuber. So let's head out and take live photos and live videos, and I'm gonna show you guys how it is. Let's go. So guys, so here I am testing the DJI Pocket 2 right now, outdoors of course, and this is without the mic and without the wide angle lens. This is the first test, and I'm trying to see how it is, how it looks like. The sun is bright of course, and so this is the very first test to see how the DJI Pocket 2 camera looks like without the mic. So here we are guys, still testing to see how it feels like, how it looks like. So this is the Pocket 2, and of course the outdoor test, and I think it's pretty good, right? What do you guys think? I think it's good. This is it. The trees, nature, everything looks good, feels amazing of course. All thanks to the good sunlight today. And now guys, this is the second test. I just want to try to figure out how it sounds like with the wireless mic. Of course, it comes in really handy when you have the Pocket 2. So if you buy the Pocket 2, or of course the Pocket 3, which is coming out pretty soon, do your best to buy a wireless mic guys. It really helps to make the sound much smooth, and it makes it so much more easier. So it's gonna make your work amazing and nice. And of course guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is Willen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos like this, where I touch about business, lifestyle, and so much more, from here in China to the world. So keep on watching, keep subscribing, keep liking, leave a comment down below if you got any worries or you want to know about this camera or you want to buy one. Just let me know in the comment section. Here we are. This is Willen. See you next time.
Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here